More than 37 million Americans suffer from chronic kidney disease, and millions more have declining kidney health without realizing it. The kidneys are essential for filtering toxins, balancing fluids, and regulating blood sugar and insulin levels, but poor diet and lifestyle choices can accelerate kidney disease progression. The good news: certain vegetables contain powerful antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential nutrients that can help repair kidney damage naturally, reduce the need for kidney dialysis, and support overall kidney function. But which vegetables are the best for kidney disease treatment? How can they help prevent kidney failure and improve chronic kidney disease treatments? Ignoring this information could lead to severe kidney disease, but adding the right vegetables to your diet can help protect and restore your kidney function. Stay until the end because I'll reveal how these vegetables work, plus the best kidney cleanse, proteinuria treatments, and kidney failure prevention strategies to keep your kidneys healthy for years to come. Red bell peppers are one of the best vegetables for kidney health because they are low in potassium, but high in antioxidants like vitamin C and lycopene, which help reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative damage. People with chronic kidney disease often struggle with excessive inflammation, which accelerates kidney deterioration. A woman in her late 40s who had been struggling with chronic kidney disease treatments started eating more red bell peppers and noticed better digestion, improved energy levels, and reduced swelling. Adding red bell peppers to salads, stir-fries, or sandwiches can provide essential nutrients while supporting kidney function. Cabbage is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory compounds and vitamins that help support kidney function while reducing oxidative stress. It is particularly beneficial for people with kidney disease treatment plans since it is low in potassium but high in fiber, which supports digestion and helps remove toxins from the body. A man in his 50s who had been looking for kidney failure prevention strategies started eating more cabbage and saw improvements in his kidney function test results. Eating raw or lightly steamed cabbage can provide the most benefits for kidney health. Garlic is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory vegetables, known for its ability to lower blood sugar, improve heart health, and protect the kidneys from oxidative damage. Studies show that garlic helps reduce chronic kidney disease progression by decreasing inflammation and protecting the blood vessels that supply the kidneys. A woman in her early 60s with diabetes-related kidney disease added garlic to her meals daily and saw a reduction in swelling and improved kidney function test results. Consuming fresh garlic or taking garlic supplements can help slow kidney disease progression. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying the content, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and drop a comment below. Cauliflower is a kidney-friendly vegetable that provides fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins that help detoxify the kidneys and improve kidney function. It is particularly beneficial for people undergoing kidney disease treatment because it helps flush out toxins without raising potassium levels. A man in his 50s who had been struggling with high blood sugar and declining kidney function started replacing high-potassium vegetables with cauliflower and noticed better chronic kidney disease treatment results. Eating steamed or roasted cauliflower can provide lasting benefits for kidney health. Asparagus is a natural kidney cleanse vegetable that helps flush out toxins and reduce inflammation in the urinary tract. It contains compounds that act as natural diuretics, helping the kidneys eliminate waste more efficiently. A woman in her 50s who had been looking for kidney failure treatment without dialysis started eating more asparagus and saw improvements in her hydration and reduced water retention. Eating fresh asparagus or adding it to soups and salads can help support kidney function naturally. Spinach, when eaten in moderation, provides essential nutrients like iron, folate, and vitamin C, which help improve blood flow and reduce kidney disease progression. However, people with advanced kidney failure should monitor their intake due to its oxalate content. A man in his early 40s who had been dealing with proteinuria treatments added moderate amounts of spinach to his diet and saw improved energy levels and reduced inflammation. Eating raw spinach in salads or blending it into smoothies can provide long-term kidney health benefits. Radishes are excellent for kidney health because they are naturally low in potassium and rich in antioxidants that help detoxify the kidneys. They also help lower blood sugar and support heart health, making them beneficial for people with diabetes-related kidney disease. A woman in her 60s who had been searching for kidney failure prevention strategies started adding radishes to her meals and noticed better digestion and fewer chronic kidney disease symptoms. Eating fresh radishes in salads or juicing them can provide powerful kidney-protecting benefits. Onions are another powerful anti-inflammatory vegetable that helps reduce kidney disease progression by lowering blood sugar and protecting against oxidative stress. Onions contain quercetin, an antioxidant known to support kidney function and improve heart health. A man in his 50s who had been looking for kidney disease treatment options started eating more onions and saw improved kidney function test results. Cooking with onions or adding them to raw salads can help improve kidney health and reduce inflammation. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce chronic kidney disease progression by protecting kidney cells from oxidative damage. Carrots also help regulate blood sugar, which is crucial for people with diabetes-related kidney disease. A woman in her early 50s who had been dealing with high blood sugar and declining kidney function started eating more carrots and saw better kidney function test results. Eating raw carrots, steaming them, or blending them into smoothies can provide long-lasting benefits for kidney health. Beets are one of the best vegetables for kidney failure prevention because they improve circulation, support detoxification, and reduce inflammation. Beets contain nitrates that help lower blood pressure, which is essential for protecting the kidneys. A man in his early 60s who had been struggling with kidney disease treatment options started drinking beet juice and saw improvements in his energy levels and kidney function test results. Drinking fresh beet juice or adding beets to salads can provide essential nutrients for protecting kidney health. Brussels sprouts are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect kidney health by reducing oxidative stress. They are low in potassium, making them a great choice for people with chronic kidney disease who need to limit potassium intake. A man in his late 50s who had been struggling with kidney function test fluctuations added Brussels sprouts to his diet and noticed better digestion and reduced inflammation. Eating roasted or steamed Brussels sprouts can provide essential nutrients that support long-term kidney health. Zucchini is a hydrating, kidney-friendly vegetable that helps flush out toxins while providing essential nutrients without overloading the kidneys. Since it is naturally low in potassium and phosphorus, it is one of the safest vegetables for people with kidney disease treatment plans. A woman in her early 60s who had been managing chronic kidney disease treatments started incorporating zucchini into her meals and saw a reduction in swelling and improved hydration. Adding zucchini to soups, stir-fries, or grilled dishes can help support kidney function. Celery is a natural kidney cleanse vegetable that helps flush out excess fluids and toxins from the body. It contains diuretic properties that support kidney filtration, making it beneficial for those at risk of kidney failure prevention. A man in his late 40s who had been looking for kidney failure treatment without dialysis started drinking celery juice and noticed better urine output and improved hydration. Drinking fresh celery juice or adding it to salads can provide excellent detoxification benefits. Lettuce, especially romaine and butterhead varieties, is a great low-potassium vegetable that supports kidney health while providing essential hydration. It is also rich in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress on the kidneys. A woman in her 50s who had been searching for proteinuria treatments added more lettuce to her diet and saw better digestion and improved kidney function. Choosing dark leafy varieties over iceberg lettuce ensures higher nutrient content. Green beans are another kidney-friendly vegetable that helps support kidney function without increasing potassium levels. They are rich in fiber and antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and improve heart health, a major concern for people with chronic kidney disease. A man in his early 60s who had been struggling with kidney dialysis alternatives started eating more green beans and noticed better energy levels and improved digestion. Steaming or lightly sautéing green beans helps retain their beneficial nutrients. Turnips are a great substitute for high-potassium vegetables like potatoes and are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C, which support kidney function. They also help regulate blood sugar, making them beneficial for people with diabetes-related kidney disease. A woman in her late 40s who had been looking for kidney failure prevention strategies started eating turnips instead of potatoes and saw improved blood sugar control. Roasting or boiling turnips can make them a delicious and nutritious alternative to starchy vegetables. Cucumbers are highly hydrating and contain natural compounds that support kidney cleanse by flushing out excess waste and toxins. Since dehydration worsens chronic kidney disease, consuming cucumbers can help maintain kidney function and prevent kidney stone formation. A man in his 50s who had been struggling with kidney disease treatment started eating cucumbers daily and noticed better hydration and reduced bloating. Adding cucumbers to salads or drinking cucumber-infused water can provide long-term kidney health benefits. Let's summarize it. Red bell peppers are rich in antioxidants and low in potassium, making them excellent for kidney health. Cabbage provides fiber and anti-inflammatory compounds that support detoxification and improve kidney function. Garlic helps lower blood sugar and protects against chronic kidney disease progression. Cauliflower is a kidney-friendly vegetable that supports detoxification and kidney function test improvements. Asparagus acts as a natural kidney cleanse vegetable, helping eliminate waste more efficiently. Spinach, when consumed in moderation, provides essential nutrients that support kidney health. Radishes are low in potassium and rich in antioxidants, making them excellent for kidney disease prevention. Onions contain quercetin, an antioxidant that supports kidney function and improves heart health. Carrots help regulate blood sugar and provide antioxidants that protect kidney cells from damage. Beets improve circulation, lower blood pressure, and support detoxification, reducing kidney disease progression. Brussels sprouts contain fiber and anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect against kidney disease. Zucchini is low in potassium and helps flush out toxins, making it great for kidney failure prevention. Celery acts as a natural diuretic that supports kidney cleanse and fluid balance. Lettuce, especially dark leafy varieties, provides antioxidants and hydration while being kidney-friendly. Green beans offer fiber and anti-inflammatory benefits without raising potassium levels. Turnips are a great alternative to high-potassium vegetables and help regulate blood sugar for people with diabetes-related kidney disease. Cucumbers are highly hydrating and support kidney function by flushing out toxins. Including these vegetables in your diet, along with kidney-friendly supplements, omega-3 and probiotics, can help protect your kidneys and prevent kidney failure naturally. Have you been eating these vegetables? It might be time to start before it's too late. And now, keep watching for more health tips.